You all know him, the brilliant inventor of the AC generator, Nikola Tesla. But to say he only invented the AC motor is like saying George Washington was just a president, or that Napoleon was merely a general. It's a massive understatement. Tesla was one of the last great independent inventors, a true genius, but also a visionary, a dreamer, if you will. Everything he imagined he brought to life, from alternating currents to X-rays, from remote control to wireless communication. Any one of these achievements would make someone a legendary inventor. But Tesla was more than that. His greatest vision was to give the entire world access to free energy. Energy transmitted wirelessly to anyone, anywhere, without the need for the tangled web of wires we rely on today. Now you might say, well, he must have failed. It's been over 100 years and nothing like that exists. But you'd be wrong. Tesla wasn't stopped by the laws of physics. He was stopped by the will of one powerful man.